Porsche enhances the 911 GT3 with new Manthey performance kit. Porsche is taking the high-performance 911 GT3 to new heights with the introduction of a dedicated Manthey racing performance kit. Designed specifically for the 992.2 generation, this upgrade package transforms the street-legal GT3 into a precision instrument optimized for the racetrack. Aerodynamic evolution, the core of the Manthey kit, lies in its aggressive aerodynamic overhaul. By refining how air moves around and under the car, Porsche aims to maximize stability and cornering grip. Key upgrades include enhanced underbody. The underbody turning vanes have been extended by 39 inches, creating a much more efficient floor for generating downforce. This includes a specialized trunk floor cover to ensure a perfectly seamless surface. Revised bodywork. The kit adds an extended front lip, aerodynamic canards, and longer rear diffuser fins to manage airflow more effectively. Wing optimization. The signature swan neck rear wing has been widened and equipped with a gurney flap and larger, curved end plates. These modifications result in a massive increase in aerodynamic pressure, with the Manthey spec GT3 capable of generating between 782 and 1,190 pounds of downforce. Precision handling and weight reduction. Increased downforce requires a more robust chassis to manage the extra load. To prevent the car from feeling soft under high aero loads, Porsche has increased the front spring rates by 10%. Beyond just stiffness, the kit offers unparalleled adjustability. 4-way adjustable coilover shocks. These allow drivers to fine-tune compression and rebound settings without the need for specialized tools. Forged lightweight wheels. For those looking to optimize response, optional 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged wheels are available. This upgrade can reduce unsprung mass by 13.2 pounds, significantly improving suspension reactivity and steering feel. Proven performance at the Nürburgring. The effectiveness of these engineering changes has been validated at the Nürburgring Nordschleife, the world's most demanding testing ground. Driven by DTM champion Jochen Guven, the 992.2 GT3 with the Manthey kit clocked a lap time of 6:50.863. To put this in perspective, this represents a significant leap over the previous generation. The 992.1 GT3 with a similar kit was nearly 2.8 seconds slower, demonstrating just how much the new platform and aerodynamic refinements have progressed. Why this matters? For track enthusiasts, the Manthey kit offers a rare, best of both worlds scenario. It allows owners to bridge the gap between a road car and a race car without the typical drawbacks. Notably, installing this kit does not void the factory warranty. Summary: the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Manthey kit is a comprehensive performance package that uses advanced aerodynamics and adjustable suspension to shave seconds off lap times. By focusing on downforce and weight reduction, Porsche has created a highly tunable machine for the serious track driver.